basically have a tune only and tire. So I'm hoping for like mid 11s. Let's see if this time she launches. Before she wasn't launching at all. I set the tire pressure to about 20 PSI. If the car spins, we'll just drop the tire pressure down a little bit more. And I also have a 14 PSI launch control that I'm gonna be testing. So let's see if she hooks. See if this thing gets into launch control. But before that, we gotta see if this thing can even do a burnout. Hopefully it does. 60 foot could be a lot better. I got a 1871. So that was a 5 PSI launch. Quarter mile was 1178, which is pretty good for my first run. Dude, but look at the mile an hour. 120, what the? That's fucking crazy. 120. I'm definitely gonna put in the 14 PSI launch control and see if we can drop that 60 foot down. Because if we can drop that 60 foot down, this will be a low 11-second car. And I was short shifting the first couple gears, like a lot, like way too much. Let's see. The car, it was acting very weird. I don't know what the hell that was, man. It didn't want to do a burnout. When I was driving forward, it was in 5th gear. The car didn't launch as good. I think it did build the boost though. So I got a 1.8 60 foot, which is hot garbage. I thought I was gonna do at least a 1.6. The launch control on 5 PSI, I got 1.78. I mean, I couldn't do a burnout, so I didn't heat them up. So maybe that contributed to that because I didn't feel it spin. 11.6 is a little better. I got her nice and sticky, so as long as she goes under boost, launch control. Woo, baby! Come on! So I'm hoping that's a good pass right there. I could tell she's choking up because of the exhaust. I'm putting on the downpipes already and the full exhaust. Man, she pulled hard, bro. Come on, baby. Give me at least an 11.6 60 foot. We got an 11.59. We trapped 121. God damn. Hell yeah. I think if we do that one more time, I'm gonna hold launch control a little more. We're knocking down the numbers, guys. I'm gonna go again, but they're not prepping it. So I'm gonna have to do like a really good burnout and wish for the best. This thing boogies. Holy crap, man. It's moving, man. It's moving. It's pretty impressive, guys. Tune only, and I'm doing mid 11s with a pretty bad 60 foot. I just sent my log over to Hussein because there's definitely a lot more in the 60 foot. A whole lot more. Guys, we did it! 11.4 at 121. We got a 1.6 60 foot, 1.68. Hell yeah, baby! My goal was to do 11.5 today, and we pushed it to 11.4. Dude, that was a no prep surface. Well, I mean, it's prepped, but it wasn't as prepped. Fuck yeah, man. We did it.